thing that usually comes up is people asking about how we want our fractions presented. For the most part, we're going to want them in simplest form, and we're going to look at what simplifying actually does in just a second. But then the idea of a mixed number comes up, and we're not going to cover a mixed number right here in this first section. We actually need to be able to add fractions before in whole numbers before we start looking at mixed numbers. So for now, I'm just going to look at proper, improper, but I'll kind of talk about that mixed number a little bit as well. So a proper fraction is what I've been working on, a proper fraction with 3/5, but I'll put up another one. So maybe I will do, let's see, 7/9. That's a proper fraction. That is because the numerator is smaller than the denominator. That proper fraction is going to be, we can think about it being less than 1 there. We don't have a bigger number. That 3/5 that I've been looking at also is 1. Improper fraction, I don't want to just flip that, so I'll come up with another one. Let's do 5/2. 5/2 is improper, and that's because the numerator is larger than the denominator. Is a number bigger than 1? These are ones that we can write as a mixed number. So like 5/2, we could write, and we'll get into mixed numbers like I said in another section, but we could write that as 2.5. So things that could be rewritten have some number that's larger than that 1 that we're dealing with, a whole number plus a fraction. Those could also be written as improper fractions. There's two ways to write the same thing.